This is a flavor bomb that's sure to please. This is island chicken, and it is chicken that is simmered in coconut milk. It's tender, it's flavorful. Make it on your next go. You won't be disappointed. Going into an onion here with the FN Sharp Santoku knife. It's got those cute little dimples on the blade. That actually helps make sure that while you're prepping veggies, they don't stick to the blade. In with some garlic, then some fresh ginger. You can leave the peel on the ginger if you'd like. You can cut it off. It's super thin. We're going to cut these into strips or some julienne cuts and then just mince that up. I am slicing a jalapeno on a diagonal. That's going to be some garnish for later. Again, you can omit that if you don't like spicy. Cleaning up some chicken breasts, just take off any parts that look a little unsightly. I'm going to hold it flat with a little bit of pressure. Be careful if you're not used to doing this. This is butterflying a chicken breast, just opening it up like a book or like a butterfly's wings. And that's going to ensure that they cook not only evenly, they'll cook quicker, and you don't have to hack away at the chicken just to check on the inside to make sure, hey, is it actually cooked all the way through? Going into a pan after seasoning up, make sure you lay away from you just to prevent any splatter that might come towards you. Make sure to let it go in the pan undisturbed, so that way it actually develops some beautiful color on there, and color equals flavor. And then we'll remove that, set that off to the side, add our onions and garlic in there, sweat that out, wait till they get a little translucent and soft. Then with a little tomato paste, this is kind of going to be the backbone of the dish and the flavor of the sauce. The coconut milk, it wouldn't be this dish without it. Make sure to stir gently after adding in some chicken stock. And then once it's all combined and it's simmering and bubbling away, you want to reintroduce your chicken back in there. Get it all snug, let it simmer away. This is going to finish the cook on the chicken, get it extra tender and flavorful. And then we'll take some lime, just cut it in half, because all we're going to do is squeeze it right into the dish. It's going to add some beautiful brightness and acidity, and then also some fresh cilantro for that pop of freshness. If you don't like cilantro, you can omit it fully, or you can even swap it out for some fresh parsley just to add that kind of bright note at the very end. I'm plating it up here with some jasmine rice, spooning over that delicious coconut tomato-based sauce. It's got the fresh garlic, the ginger in there, and I'm going to finish it with some chili oil and toasted coconut flakes. Again, these types of things are definitely something that you can omit, you can kind of substitute and play around with, but it definitely adds a little something, not only presentation wise, but for that flavor profile. And there you have it. You can check out this recipe and so much more on fnsharp.com. We love to have you. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.